Hi everyone, this is Miss Tom with checkpoint questions from the Integrated 1 textbook. So what I'm going to let you know is checkpoint questions are mastery questions. If you understand how to do every single one of these checkpoints, you have mastered the textbook and the concepts that are in that grade level, and you are prepared for the next grade level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all of the left-hand side, all of the odd questions, and then I want you to see if you can do the even questions. This way you get practice that you need, and also I will have the answer key at the very description of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. First of all, we're going to do number 1. Anytime we have an equation, let's split it down the middle. Alright, and with that split in the middle, we're going to notice which side has more x's. We're going to notice the left side has more x's. So how are we going to eliminate the right side? Well, we're going to go ahead and plus x to both sides. This is going to notice a 0 pair out here. We're going to notice 2x plus 3x is 3x minus 3 is equal to 3. Then we're going to go ahead and add 3 to both sides because the opposite of subtraction is addition. This goes out, another 0 pair. We've got 3x is equal to 6. And then finally, if 3x is equal to 6, we're going to do the opposite of multiplication and divide by 3. And we're going to notice that x is equal to 2. Alright, that's continuing on. So we've got to find out, again, drawing our line, which side has more x's. Well, we're going to notice the right side has more x's, but we want to eliminate what we can combine in the left side. So the left side, we've got a negative x, but we've also have a 6 minus 3. And 6 minus 3 is going to be 3. So we have 4x minus 8 on the right side. Now we're going to notice, like we mentioned before, there are more x's on the right hand side, so we're going to add x to both sides. After adding x to both sides, this is a 0 pair, it eliminates. We have 3 is equal to 5x minus 8. After we notice that, we're going to go ahead and add 8 to both sides. After adding 8 to both sides, this is a 0 pair, this goes out. We've got 5x is equal to 11. And then lastly, we are going to divide by that coefficient. Let's divide by 5. So we get x is equal to 11 divided by 5, also known as 2 1/5. But it's okay to leave your answer as an improper fraction. Okay, continuing on. So, kind of like wrote over it a little bit, but it's okay. We're going to notice the right side has more x's. 2x is greater than negative x. So we're going to combine by adding this x to both sides. This eliminates here. That's a 0 pair. We've got negative 3 is equal to 3x minus 6. Then we're going to notice that minus x can be a plus x plus 6. Add 6 to both sides. Going to notice a 0 pair gets eliminated. Negative 3 plus 6 is 3. 3x is equal to 3. And then we're going to divide by 3. What we do to one side, we do to the other. And we get x is equal to 1. Alright, continuing on. So we've got a couple more here. Once again, you want to make sure you combine like terms. So on the left-hand side, you're going to notice we can combine things. We can combine 3x minus x. Think of them as xylophones. 3 xylophones minus 1 xylophone is going to be 2 xylophones plus 1 is equal to. Then on the right side, we notice we can combine like terms. X plus 2x is going to be 3x minus 4. Which side has more x's? The right side has more x's. So we're going to eliminate that 2x from the left side. This goes away. Bye. We've got 1 is equal to x minus 4. Then with the minus 4, we are going to add 4 to both sides, so that goes away. And we've got x is equal to 5. So that is our answer for number 7. Continuing on, here we go, number 9. We are going to again split. Notice what we have in common. We have common-like terms. 4y minus 2y. That's 2y. 2y minus 8 is equal to 4. Then we're going to eliminate that minus 8 by doing the opposite, which is adding 8. This becomes a 0 pair. We've got 2y is equal to 4 plus 8, which is 12. Then we're going to divide both sides by 2, and the y is equal to 6. All right, and a couple more here. Once again, split. 3y minus y is 2y, plus 7 is equal to, we've got 5 plus 2, which is 7, plus 2y. I want us to stop for a moment and notice that we have 2y plus 7 and 7 plus 2y. If we take away 2y minus 2y to both sides, this is going to be a 0 pair. We're going to notice 7 is equal to 7. And if you subtract the 7s from both sides, we're also going to get 0 pairs here. And we get 0 is equal to 0. Now, when is that true? That is true always. That means how many solutions there are there? There are infinite solutions. Whereas in the previous examples, there was only one solution. They only had one number that would make the equation equal or equivalent. All right, last one here. Last one. We're going to split this down the middle here. Then we're going to notice which side has more x's. It is the right side. So we're going to add x to both sides. These x's eliminate. We've got negative 3 is equal to 3x minus 6. Then with the minus 6, we are going to add 6 to both sides. This eliminates. We've got 3x is equal to negative 3 plus 6 is 3. Divide by the 3, and we get x is equal to 1. All right, so if you were able to follow along with that, I would like you to now try the right-hand side on your own, and we will have the answers in the description box. Thanks so much for watching Checkpoint 1. I'll see you next time for Checkpoint 2.